Hello, my name is Chris McLean, and I'm Executive Vice President of Global Mobility Solutions at SAP. I'd like to talk to you today about mobilizing your business. First, I think it's important that we understand we live in the post-PC era. That over the last 50 years, technology has changed, moving from mainframe computing to client-server computing, to the internet, and now to mobile computing. And during that time, these projects for enterprises have gone from being IT-led to consumer-led. And the reach has gone from millions of people to billions of people. What's happening? Well, smartphones shipments are surpassing PC shipments, and tablets are replacing laptops for road warriors and executives. Consumer computing is mobile computing. What does the post-PC era mean for your business? It means that your employees, your customers, and your partners are all mobile. It means that these stakeholders want to do business in the mobile movement, and to run better is to run mobile. Unwiring your business is the new imperative for the successful enterprise. What are the mobility challenges? Well, first, you have to support an ever-expanding number of mobile stakeholders. And you have to securely support the device of choice. Many of these employees are bringing in their own devices. And if your enterprise has a bring your own device policy, you've got to support all of the devices. You have to control costs. At the same time, you have to mobilize all these business processes, provide analytics, manage the total cost of ownership, as well as provide access to the various back-end systems to get to the data that they need to get to. With no common mobility platform, you cannot have a mobility strategy. There will be security breaches, your TCO will be out of control, it's unmanageable, and it's unscalable. SAP's solution is an end-to-end solution. First, we support all of the popular devices. RIM, iOS, both iPad and iPhone, Android devices, and many others. And at the same time, we're providing applications from SAP and from our ecosystem, from our partners. Line of business apps, partner apps, analytic apps. We are going to instantly mobilize your business. And we do this on a platform, the SAP Mobility Platform. What is it? It's the mobile enterprise application platform with a development kit that allows you to develop these applications and render them on all of these devices. It includes security, mobile device management, the ability to provision the devices and to secure those devices and the corporate assets that are stored on those devices. Finally, a consumer application platform that enables you to develop applications to provide your customers what they need. Back-end agnostic. These applications and this platform is back-end agnostic. You can connect to SAP systems, to third-party applications, as well as any database. At the same time, SAP is providing implementation services and mobility in the cloud. We're providing mobility architecture services, we're providing mobility strategy services, as well as value realization. Let's talk a little bit more about SAP's mobile application strategy. First, applications will be produced by SAP, but most of the applications, as much or more than 90%, will be produced by our partners. And they're in four major categories. First, people productivity applications. These are lightweight, quick return, quick implementation applications that make employees more productive. Process applications, heavy-duty applications with both online and offline capability that cover a myriad of areas, including sales, field service, as well as in industry applications and consumer products, along with manufacturing, public sector, and many others. And then analytics apps, and bringing the power of reporting and dashboard directly to the device, as well as finally, consumer applications. Loyalty, e-care, applications that are built to help you sell to your customers. Let's talk about mobile process apps. CRM sales, the ability for your sales force to track opportunities, to enter contact information, to provide forecast reports, and bring the data that you need to the sales force when they're in the field. Field service and enterprise asset management. These products allow your field service personnel to enter work orders, to complete jobs, keep your customers satisfied as they provide these services in the field. Retail execution. This is the application that allows CP companies and their sales teams to interface directly with retailers to ensure that their products are being adequately displayed, as well as taking orders, providing overall high level of customer service to those clients. Mobile productivity apps. These apps span a number of different areas, including human resources, procurement, finance, and sales. In human resources, we have the ability to look up employee information quickly and to complete relief requests while you're on the road, to capture time information. The procurement side, to be able to do a supplier search, as well as to do shopping cart approvals. In finance, travel reports, expense approvals, travel receipt capture provide instant access for those employees to be more productive while they're out traveling. And in the sales area, a number of applications that make the sales force more productive, including order status and a financial fact sheet that gives them the data that they need when they're out at the customer site, as well as sales order notification and material availability. Mobile analytics apps. We've combined the power of in-memory computing, analytics, along with mobility to create the killer app. The ability to take large amounts of data, to display that quickly on a device, and to drill down and slice and dice the data in any way you need. We bring dashboards and reports directly to the devices so that you have access to the key information that you need while you're on the move. And mobile consumer apps. The ability to provide applications to you so that you can engage your customers in areas of loyalty management, M-payments, M-commerce, and M-banking. And custom mobile applications. These are applications that are transformational. New revenue models, new ways for your sales force to engage your customers. We can help you develop these applications to provide huge ROI for your organization. And finally, mobile partner apps. We have now over 200 partner applications that are running on the SAP platform or in the process of being deployed on the SAP platform. And they host a number of different industries and a number of different line of business areas. In summary, SAP enables a winning mobile enterprise. First, a robust platform, mobile applications, tools to develop these mobile apps, packaged apps that are customizable, the implementation services to make it a reality, and finally, the hosted services that allow you to run these applications in the cloud if you so desire.